Are you struggling to get the insights you need to drive strategic HR decisions?
Is fragmented data and reliance on IT holding you back?
It's time to discover your aha moments with Agile HR Analytics.
AHA is your end-to-end HR reporting solution, powered by Microsoft Power BI. Get real-time access to key metrics, personalized dashboards, and secure data, all in one place.
We've helped organizations around the world uncover their own aha moments, saving time, reducing costs, and transforming their HR strategy.
Our intuitive, AI-powered dashboards empower smarter, faster decision-making, gain full visibility of your HR data, and uncover insights that matter most to your organization.
Experience all your data in one reporting environment, AI-driven insights tailored to your needs, and fast deployment with minimal IT support.
Turn your data into decisions and your challenges into opportunities.
Discover your aha moments today. Contact us for a free consultation.